Good morning everyone. Today I am here to discuss some numericals of expenditure method. My first question is calculate GNP at FC. If in the question it is not mentioned that whether you have to do the question with income method or expenditure method, then we will see the particulars given in the question, that whether the particulars given are of income or expenditure method. Here in the question we are able to see that neither COE is given, nor OS is given, nor MISE is given. So what particulars are given? Private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, and these particulars are of expenditure method. So in income method, what we calculate? NDB at FC, that is COE plus OS plus MISE. But in expenditure method we calculate GDP at MP. What we calculate? GDP at MP. GDP at MP is equal to C plus gross I plus G plus X minus M. Now what is C given in the question? C is equal to private final consumption expenditure. It is given 1500. 1500 crores. What is C given? 1500 crores plus. Now what we need? Gross I. Gross I is gross investment or gross domestic capital formation. Let's check in the question what is given. Gross I is not given directly. What is given? Net domestic fixed capital formation. First of all, if the word net is given in the question, if the word net is given in the question, what we do? To make it gross, we will add dep. What we do? We will add depreciation, because it is given net domestic fixed capital formation. First we will solve net. What we have added? That is depreciation. Now it is given fixed. The word fixed is given, and whenever the word fixed is given in the question, like gross domestic fixed capital formation, to make it gross domestic capital formation, what we add in it? Change in stock. Whenever the word fixed is given, what we add? That is change in stock. To convert from net to gross, we have already added, that is dep, because we need gross I. Now gross domestic capital formation, but it is given fixed. So what we will add? Change in stock. What is given? Net domestic fixed capital formation, it is 350 plus. Now change in stock. What is change in stock? Change in stock is also not given directly. It is given as closing stock minus opening stock. Closing stock is given separately and opening is given separately. So closing stock is, that is 100 minus opening stock is 60 plus G. What is G? Government final consumption expenditure. What is government final consumption expenditure? It is 200 plus X minus M, that is net exports. For confusion it is given, imports are also given, but we are given with net exports. It is, I have already discussed that when net exports are given, sign will be same, and when net imports are given, sign will be changed. But in the question we are given with net exports. Net exports minus 10 plus depreciation, that is consumption of fixed capital, it is 50. So 1500 plus 350 plus 40, 390 plus 200 plus this minus, it will be 40. Now 1500 plus this, it will be 1890 plus 240. It will be 2130 crore. But in the question we have to calculate GNP at FC. So it will be GDP at NP, DP से NP पर जाना है तो प्लस NFIA, MP से FC पर जाना है माइनस NIT. It is 2130 plus NFIA, net factor income from abroad, minus 30 minus NIT, it is 40. So 2130 minus 30 minus 40, it is rupees 2060 crore will be the answer. Second question is calculate GDP at MP. Now, by expenditure method, we are given the particulars of expenditure method only. So, to calculate GDP at MP is equal to C plus gross I plus G plus X minus M. What is C? Private final consumption expenditure. It is 1200 plus gross I. Now what is gross I? Gross fixed capital formation. Whenever the word fixed is given, what we will do? That is, we will add change in stock to make it gross domestic capital formation. So 300, what is change in stock given in the question? 400 plus G, that is government final consumption expenditure, plus X minus M is net exports. It is export minus import. 600 minus 500. So 1200 plus 700 plus 200 plus 100. 19, 20, 21 and 22. Answer will be 2200 crores. The main thing, private final consumption expenditure is given directly. Government final consumption expenditure is given directly most of the times. But gross I, please remember, whenever the word fixed is given, that is gross fixed capital formation or net fixed capital formation, first you have to add change in stock whenever the word fixed is given. And second thing, if it is given in net but you need it in the form of gross, so please add dep in the formula itself to make it gross, because here we are calculating GDP at MP, that is gross domestic product at market price. Third question is calculate national income by expenditure method. So in expenditure method, what we calculate? GDP at MP. What we calculate? GDP at MP. So formula is C plus gross I plus G plus X minus M. Now what is C given in the question? Private final consumption expenditure 900 plus gross I. But gross I is given, what is gross I? Gross domestic capital formation. But here in the question we are given with net domestic capital formation. But what do we need? Gross I, gross domestic capital formation. To convert net domestic into gross domestic capital formation, what do we do? We will add debt in the formula. So, what is net domestic capital formation? It is 200, and here afterwards we will add debt. Plus G. What is G? Government final consumption expenditure. It is also given directly. Plus X minus M. It is net exports. It will be minus 25. What is depreciation? That is your depreciation is consumption of fixed capital. But in the question here we are not given with depreciation. So we will assume it as 0. So it will be 900 plus 200 plus 375 after subtracting, that is 25 from 400. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It will be 1475 crores. We have to calculate NNP at FC because what we have to calculate? National income. By converting, that is GDP at MP into NNP at FC, it will be minus debt from DP to NP plus NFIA, MP to FC minus NIT. What is GDP at NP? 1475 minus 0 plus NFIA. Net factor income from abroad. It is minus 10. Then minus NIT. That is net indirect taxes 100. So 1475 minus 10 minus 100. Answer will be rupees 1365 crores. 1365 crores will be the answer. One more question is calculate GNP at FC by expenditure method. Here we are given the particulars of income method also, but in the question we are asked to calculate GNP at FC by expenditure method only. That is, but by expenditure method what we calculate? GDP at MP. It will be C plus gross I plus G plus X minus M. C plus gross I plus G plus X minus M. What is C given in the question? It is 1440 crore plus gross I. Gross fixed capital formation is given, and when fixed is given, what we do? We will add change in stock. So change in stock is 30. It will be 250 plus 30 plus G, that is government final consumption expenditure 490 plus what is X minus M? Net exports. It is given minus 30. So 1440 plus 280 plus 490 minus 30. It will be rupees 2180 crore. It will be rupees 2180 crore. But what we have to calculate? GNP at FC is equal to GDP at MP. DP से NP पर जाना है प्लस NFIA MP से FC पर जाना है minus NIT. So it will be 2180. It will be 2180 plus what is NFIA given? Net factor income to abroad, when to abroad is given, net factor income in to abroad, it means the paid amount is more, no? So sign will be changed. It will be minus 20. When net factor income from abroad is given, sign will be same. And when net factor income to abroad is given, sign will be changed. So we have changed the sign. Now what is NIT? That is net indirect taxes. It is minus 40. 2180 minus 20 minus 40. What will be the answer? It will be 2120 crores. The main thing is, whenever the word fixed is given, you have to add change in stock, and whenever net is given, to convert it into gross, you have to add the depreciation in the formula itself. Rest, that is private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure are given directly, and when net exports are given, same sign will be there, whatever it is given. If it is given in positive, it will be positive. If it is given in negative, it will be negative. But when your net imports are given, sign will be changed. Next question is, calculate GNP at MP. That is, we are given with the particulars of expenditure method only. So in expenditure method, what we calculate? That is GDP at MP is equal to C plus gross I plus G plus X minus M. Now what is C given in the question? Private final consumption expenditure. It is 500 plus gross I. What is gross I? Gross I is not given. It is given in net. Gross domestic capital formation is not given. It is given net domestic, and also the word fixed is given. So for net, first we have to calculate it in gross. That is plus depreciation. And second thing, when it is given in fixed, we will add change in stock. What it is given? 100. That is fixed capital formation plus change in stock, closing stock minus opening stock. 10 minus 10. What is G? Government final consumption expenditure. It is 150 plus X minus M, that is net export, but we are given with net imports. So we will be changing the sign. Sign will be changed. That is minus 20. And for net, we have added depreciation. No? What is depreciation? Consumption of fixed capital. It is given 50. 500 plus 100, because 10 minus 10 it will be 0, plus 150 minus 20 plus 50. It will be rupees 780 crores. Rupees 780 crores. What we have to calculate? GNP at MP. And what we have? GDP at MP. DP से NP पर जाना है तो प्लस NFIA. 780 plus NFIA is net factor income to abroad. When to abroad is given, sign will be changed. It is already given in minus now. Sign will be changed. It will be plus 15. Answer will be 795 crores. Once again I am explaining this gross I. Gross I is gross domestic capital formation, but we are given with net domestic capital formation. So for converting the net into gross, we have added depreciation, and it is given fixed. So what we will add? Change in stock. Change in stock is closing stock minus opening stock. Please go through the numericals and stay safe, be healthy. Thank you.